Hello, ma'am. Am I
Hello,
audible?
Mamata ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, good afternoon. Sorry, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Very good morning. After a long time.
Yeah.
Yes.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing pretty well. And thank you for asking me, ma'am. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. And please don't call me ma'am. You can call me Mamta.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Mamata.
Yes. So, how's your day going so far?
Yes, Mamata. The days are going good. And I can say every day is very productive day for me nowadays.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. So, you are the very first time on my channel. So, please, you please introduce yourself in a nutshell.
Yes, Mamata, definitely. Yeah, but now I want to share about me. So, my name is Mani. If I talk about my education, I have completed MCA in 2012. Then, I worked as a lab coordinator at Naresh Institute in Hyderabad for 2 years. After that, I got married. Nowadays, I am a mother of two growing sons, as well as I have 3 years of experience as a school teacher. And now I quit my job because this is high time for me to improve my communication skills, and it's talk about my hobbies nowadays, learning English and speaking with people. That's all about me, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Wonderful. And good to know about you, ma'am. Okay, so as you know me well, and my viewers also know me well, so no need to introduction of myself, right? So,
Yes, ma'am, but please give me short introduction. I
okay,
want to listen.
okay. So as you know, my name is Mamta and I am from Lucknow and I am a homemaker and a mother of one kid. And my hobbies are reading, writing, playing badminton, go for a walk. Yes, nowadays I am also indulging myself to learn this language. So yeah, this is my first priority nowadays. So yeah, this is a little bit about me.
Nice introduction, ma'am, I can say.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so as you mentioned, Mani ma'am, like you are, indulging yourself to learn this language. So, what kind of activity nowadays are you doing to enhance your communication skill?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, I can share with you what type of practices are you doing nowadays. So, ma'am, according to me, nowadays, I am listening half an hour at the same time, and I am into reading by myself, because that is very important, ma'am, for me. Now I noticed when we study ourselves, then we can know how to frame the sentences. And you noticed that where you make the mistakes while framing the sentences. And as well as, ma'am, you know that time so many new vocabularies and idioms and phrases, ma'am. So that is very helpful for me nowadays. Every day I take one video, ma'am. I started for last 15 days. So that is very helpful for me. Every day take one topic. According to the topic, I myself analyze how to explain the topic. So sorry, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Okay, but I can't see you, ma'am. Okay, now it's okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh,
Please,
okay, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Every day I record my video 5 or 6 seconds, ma'am. That is very helpful for me. And I spend my quality time with our beautiful co-learners every day, half an hour to talk with them. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. And you are doing an amazing job. Okay, so Mani ma'am, I would like to ask you, like, what is the biggest fear like people have, when speaking in public? What do you think about it?
Yes, ma'am. The biggest fear is, I can say, ma'am, nowadays everybody have good knowledge according to their subject or their career wise. But everybody nowadays struggle fear of public speaking, ma'am, I can say, because only because of the fear, some people are not take the courage to speak in front of the large audience, and they cannot interested to share their ideas with neatly and sincerely because of that fear only, ma'am. So when the fear will be gone means, so when they have to spend their time to learn that topic and rehearsing that topic several times without fear, without hesitation, then they will definitely will improve their speaking skills, ma'am, I can say.
Yes, I agree with you, ma'am. And I think the biggest fear is being judges, right? Like
Yes, ma'am.
worry about making mistakes or forgetting their words, right? But the truth is, the audience usually remembers your confidence more than your small mistakes, right?
Yes.
Is what do you think? Like, is confidence more important than perfect English?
Yes, ma'am. According to me, ma'am, confidence is the main role, ma'am. Nowadays, many people speak English, but they don't have confident levels to speak in front of the people. Because if they speak in front of the people, how they can take, if they make any mistakes while speaking, how they can judge me. So that is the one fear, ma'am. So that is the reason most of the people cannot interested to speak in front of the large audience. So confidence is the main role, ma'am. If you know the subject or a topic, the time you don't worry about the mistakes. Everybody do the mistakes, so you take the courage and you take then you automatically deliver your ideas in front of anyone, ma'am, I can say.
Yes, I also believe like confidence is more important. And you don't need perfect English to communicate your ideas. If people, understand your message, you have already succeeded, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, ma'am, how can someone like overcome stage fear? If someone wants to talk on a stage, so what do you think? How can they overcome their stage fear?
This is a good question, ma'am, because initial days everybody struggle, ma'am, because first time it's not habitual to overcome the stage fear. By practicing only, we can overcome that fear, ma'am, I can say. So nowadays, you remember one thing, everybody how means, so no one can give the judgment what you make the mistakes. That thing you have to put in your mind at the same time, so everybody have one skill. So don't worry, to take the courage and be confident and before give the speech you have to practice several times and rehearsal the topic, then you automatically gain the confidence, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you give advice to beginners, so what would you give?
It means beginners means, ma'am, learning this language.
Yeah, learners,
Okay.
beginner learners.
Yes, ma'am. So, who are really interested to learn English? So, first of all, they remove their fear, ma'am. So, first thing is fear. Then they are try to listen some conversation videos. Not conversation, ma'am. What they are interested. That videos they should listen in English only, ma'am. Develop. First, they have to inculcate listening skills, then automatically they can speak like small words and small, and they understand how to frame the small sentences, and they know or they don't know, but they try to speak in English at least, or they try to speak and they try to think in English whenever they have free time, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Do you have some questions for me so you can ask?
Mamata ma'am, I know you very well, and you speak very well, ma'am. I noticed. What are the practices are you doing? Because I joined, November 2nd, I started my speaking English journey. I know, ma'am, so many idioms, vocabularies, and phrases and framing sentences. How to I know? But while connecting with, this is my first video call, ma'am. Whenever I connect with anyone, I can't use that idioms and phrases while conversation with anyone, ma'am. So how can you improve? How you improved a lot, ma'am? What are the techniques are you following nowadays? Please guide me, not only me, so who are watching this video, who are beginners like me. So your advice will helpful for them, ma'am, I can say.
Yes, okay. So first of all, thank you so much for your kind words for me. And now I am coming to your question. So actually, see, I am also a learner, ma'am, right? Still, I am learning, and I never say that like my English is, up to the mark. I'm still learning. But yes, if I talk about like when we speak, I personally believe in natural English, right? I always try to speak naturally. And what
Yes,
kind
ma'am.
of activity I do? So, yes, nowadays I am doing like I am reading some books, and apart from that, I write something. And actually, this is my habit. I write something whenever something comes in my mind, I just write it. So these two things nowadays I am doing. And apart from that, if I talk about like idioms, phrases, vocabulary, so I never indulge myself that much in, to learn these things. Because if once you are better, once you become better speaker, then I think it automatically comes in your speaking, automatically come in your conversation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So according to me, like I always prefer like just focus on your speaking style, how to speak, how to frame sentences, where we have to give a pause, like moderate speaking, right? So
Yes.
we have to focus on these things. Otherwise, words, idioms, phrases, we will learn it gradually, right? So I think
Yes, it's
this is the main goal that we should have focus.
yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am. It's true, ma'am.
Yes. So nowadays, what kind of new idioms or phrases have you learned? So could you please share?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. So I learned so many idioms. So first one is every flower has own season. It's bloom and grow. So it means, ma'am. So every person has own timeline to get success in their life, ma'am. So wait and consistent practice. And one more idiom, ma'am. Don't boil the ocean at a time. So this you know very well, ma'am. So don't study English within one day, 2 days,
That
ma'am. It's take
actually,
time.
yeah, sorry to interrupt. This is actually, I wanted to say
Uh-huh.
that, like, don't be in a rush, right? Take a little
Yes.
step by step. Gradually, you can feel a drastic change in yourself. Like, your speaking is well. Yes. But the thing is, I wanted to, tell you, like, when you speak, try to give a little bit smile on your face, right?
Okay.
And I,
But this is my first video call, no? So I feel
yes, yes,
nervous.
yes.
That's why I can't articulate my thoughts in front of you.
No,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Well, your speaking style is good, right? No, there is no any problem. But the thing is, just smile while
Okay,
speaking.
Mamata ma'am. Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. So,
And
if you could give only one message about public speaking, so what it be?
so the message is, ma'am, if you have fear, you never get success in your life. So when you remove your fear, then you will achieve everything in your life. So take a courage and believing in yourself and trusting the process. Definitely you will achieve success. Don't wait for someone will come and give courage and confidence. No one come to you and no one can give guidance or confidence. You only take the courage and you only get the confidence and you only do whatever want you in your life and never seek validations from anyone. And one more thing, for example, we can't carry yesterday rain in bucket. Means we can't regress yesterday or day before yesterday or last year what happened. You don't regret. We can't change it. So if you have any failures in your life, don't regret and try to yourself into learning something new skill. Then you will achieve success, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.
Thank you so much for, sharing your thought. And it is really like a nuisance for us, right? Okay, ma'am. So thank you so much for joining me here. And I know this is
Ma'am,
your first
thank you
video
so much,
call.
ma'am, for giving me this wonderful opportunity
My
because I am very grateful and thankful to you, ma'am, from my bottom of the heart. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, please. If you
Take,
want to say something, you can.
no, ma'am, no. That's all, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye bye, ma'am.